got just 13 runs of 18 deliveries, but hit a cracking boundary in the last over. Prithvi did. Bobby Deol in the attack now.
Good bowling.
Dot ball to start his spell. Bobby will be happy with that. So crucial to get the first ball of your over and the last ball of the over on the spot.
Good bowling, Bobby Bhai. Superb. Super bowling.
Mumbai Heroes need a couple of tight overs to put the pressure back on the Chennai Rhinos.
Single guard.
Dabbed away to short third man and very well run single there. This partnership's worth 53 now. It's come off just 43 deliveries. It's been a crucial partnership, especially after he lost that early wicket.
Good bowling, good bowling.
Just what the doctor ordered as far as the Chennai Rhinos were concerned, to get a partnership going. And it's been impressive, Charu.
Yeah, Vikrant particularly. He's been very aggressive. He's been impressive. He chosen the right ball for the right shot. Quite an accomplished batsman, but I must say, Bobby Deol so far, not a bad over.
Superb. Addy, come on.
Kept
Lovely.
a decent line, length, done everything right. Doesn't have, should I say, an orthodox action, but it's working for him. Keeping the Chennai Rhinos quiet, and as I've said, as long as they can have Prithvi at the crease, he did hit that cracking straight drive. But apart from that, he's not as adventurous as Vikrant. It will serve to just keep the pressure on, as long as Prithvi is not getting too many. Well, I had to jinx that, didn't I?
Well, it's the commentator's curse. It's Murphy's Law. As soon as you big someone up, he's bound to pull you down.
Very wide down leg. But come on, Bobby. Don't make me look bad here now. 5 very good deliveries. That's the way to do it.
Make that 6 very good deliveries. It's been a very good over. End of the over. 60 for 1.